What's up, everyone? Viper here with Tuesday Scratch Off action. Today we're going to be doing the other half of the Blizzard Bucks. Now, yesterday's video I busted out, played 5 in a row, and didn't get not one win on this. So this is a pretty tough ticket. So we're going to see if we get any wins out of this, 9 through 13. And if we don't, or we get something or whatever, you know not to play these in multiples. Because this is a tough ticket, seems to be. Alright, so let's just zoom in a little bit more. Like I said, I'll go up and down with the ticket because it's just a symbol hunt. So over here, we're looking for a slave. Have not found it. Don't even know if it really exists, but I'm sure it does. It's just hard to get. Alright, so no bonus over there. Just looking for the bell for the auto win and that star for 5 times. Alright, here we go. Ticket number 9. Alright, I don't see a bell or a star. I'm just going up there so y'all can see. Just double checking. Alright, nothing. Alright, ticket number 9 was cold. Alright, ticket number 10. Alright, no bonus. Alright, there we go. We got an auto win right there, finally. Whoops, wrong bell. Alright, so we got a win there. We got the bell. Let's see if we got anything else on this thing. Hopefully it's something good. That's, we're $100 in. 0 back. So, play 10 in a row here. Look, there's the sleigh. Well, at least it exists over here. Alright, so I don't see any other bells or stars. So let's see what we got under that bell right here. And okay, there we go. All right, $50. Nice. What a save on that one. Okay, so we got half our money back, which is good. All right, let's see if we get anything else. Ooh, $50. I really didn't think I was gonna get. I was thinking I'd probably get like 10 or 20 bucks out of this whole 10 in a row session here this week. All right, ticket number 11. Let's see if we can find any more wins. Hopefully, maybe we can find one more good win. $50, we'll take it. It's half my money back. All right. Maybe we find that star. The star is the only thing I haven't found on this since I've played this ticket here and there. Make sure you're still online here. Yep, okay. $50, nice. Alright, so I don't see no star, and I definitely don't see no symbol, or bell, excuse me. Alright, moving on, got 2 tickets left. Ticket number 12. Reindeer, and that penguin again, okay. Alright, just making sure I'm not missing anything. Okay. There's that sleigh again. All the way down here at the bottom. Jeez. Alright. No star. I do not see a bell. Alright. Last ticket for today. Either way, we got 50 back, half my money back. Ticket number 13. Can we find the sleigh? Snowflake. Holly. And the penguin again. Okay. Last ticket, come on. How about one more win? Even if it's only a $10 win, we'll take it. Alright. No bell. Star no bell. What's this down here? It's a candy cane. You gotta be careful with these tickets. Always scratch all the way to the bottom on these things because they can be really off. That's the second ticket I got that was like that. Alright, so I don't see any bell and I don't see any star. But heck, that's okay. At least I got something back and it wasn't just a break-even ticket. We got $50 back out of 100, so that's half back. Yeah, anytime you get half back, that's good for sure. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Leave a comment below and I'll welcome you to the channel. So appreciate y'all watching and I'll see y'all in the next one.